Hello, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into the world of spices and learn how to bring flavor to your food. Spices are a magical ingredient in our kitchens, providing a variety of flavors and aromas that can transform any dish from bland to extraordinary. Spices come from different parts of plants like seeds, barks, leaves, roots, or fruits. They are not only a great way to enhance taste, but also offer health benefits due to their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. When using spices, it's important to remember that less is often more. Start with small amounts and gradually increase if needed. Also, spice in moderation is key. Too much can overpower the flavors of your dish and make it unpalatable. So next time you're in the kitchen, experiment with different spices. Let them inspire you and create new dishes that your taste buds will love. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cooking everyone!